Alcatel-Lucent OmniAccess. Stellar access points run the radio side of your network. Purple adds the guest layer on top. The captive portal your visitors see, the sign-in journey, and the first-party data you collect. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your Stellar access points keep running the Wi-Fi. Purple runs the guest experience through standard mechanisms you configure in OmniVista Cirrus. It uses an external captive portal and radius, so no hardware changes are needed. First, you add Purple as a radius server and reference it from a NAA server profile, so each sign-in is checked on the standard ports 1812 for authentication and 1813 for accounting. Second, an access role profile sends a new device to your Purple splash page, and a walled garden lets the splash page load before a visitor has signed in. Third, you apply the profiles to your guest WLAN SSID. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ae.